Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Keyboard page board penyanyi ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills District haka khanyo terik uni upanai kelap long na kajingilang penkoburam kerpang yaki Scouts Master pergi Guides Captain kiblayo yaka district ba state award jong senam Arjar Arpaway haka jingilang lingkat la penyanyi ka kong Estariang District Commissioner Guides layo ka jingkran pedang buram nakakong Siami Shela District Organizer Guides MBSNG West Jaintia Hills bat ki jingruai ni ki Rangers joko Thomas John Sinat College Juwai ba ohiwat lalu District Secretary MBSNG West Jaintia Hills ulakran ni kanongrim bat ka thong trikam joko Bharat Scouts and Guides katba oktomiwat lamin MDC GHADC komuwi ni ki dekat bula syapin ke buram ulapin kan mau yaki kam jong u haka Scouts Guides movement kibalong ki jingmentoy bakraw yaka long brew man brew jong u waktu mi wan lamin hapakren I mean see mi ki dekat ulong tolong kono kusa ka babhai ki nong shoshnong dak ba emsngi ban pendap iki kamram kat kom ki nong rem joka Scouts Guides kibang service to God, service to other and service to self ki Scouts Master bat ki Guides Captain ki bersapen kop buram ki long u ohiwat lalu kasarimai tariang Kiplayo ek Long Service Award 2021, u Hopeful Kangstia, u Blayo ka Award Medal of Merit 2021, u Oktomi Wat Lamin Thanks Badge Award 2021, u Adiamu Butu, Barka Degrish Award, Kiplayo ek Best Scouts Master and Best Guides Captain 2021, u Daman Bhanyang, u Blayo ek Appreciation Certificate, Kasidi Lalu, Badu Richard Biguria, Kiplayo ek State Teachers Award. Shosho akan dikasih lah pendaplu yaka induction ceremony yaka District School Education Officer West Jaintia Hills kabar Syamti Indonesia Khamat kum ka District Chief Commissioner MBSNG West Jaintia Hills District ka ACM District School Education Officer West Jaintia Hills haka jingkran kala IMC mi ki dekat dak baong tunang trai bha shosho haka thong bat ban khat lang ikiwei bandan menta haka ni ka seng kabayang mensyakri ne rap iki para breu haki babon ki liang
for bringing us here together to take this platform. I'm standing here and I'm glad to take this as well. Let's go.
Family of the worldwide Guides and Scouts. Thank you so much.
Salute.
Dina Amare Dhyan mein aao.
Congratulations. Let's go. Go.
Clap, go. I will do my best. I will do my best to do my duty. To do my duty to God and my country. To God and my country. Clap, go.
Overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday.
Organization and be an inspiration and a model to the youngsters and the children of the district. And of course, I extend my heartiest congratulations to each and every one of you who have received the various awards that was given by the state and also by the national divide, if I can say so, to the treasurer of the organization of this district. And of course,
Really bang long scout for but ini si mentah kibun kita mentah kibang nam nak so banjir ini sekarang scout master I'm not jealous mau keren kita nama dari page itu mentah but ikai ke bangnya lek sudian nggak lah iban om bagi kampun berjong ini nama kibun bagi program itu kipor ke bang ni lah
All to become alive in every space of our life that we are going to do. So now I may call upon District Secretary to give an introduction.